know what?
That's my skill.
I think maybe we should just leave back here. You've got it.
No, don't leave that.
Oh,
Fuck, I wish I would have kept it.
Shit.
still.
I'm lactating.
Come on, Jen. This is not helping at all.
No, it's not helping. It's lactating through my mouth, Mom. Oh, holy tits.
How are you feeling, Jen?
I'm gonna kill you. That one wasn't too bad. Let's continue this, Mom, please.
Oh, gee, it's going nice where it's straight.
It feels nice. No, it's not. I take that back.
Stay still.
I'm stinky.
Yeah, I know.
All this is bringing up a sweat. Ouch!
Oh, God.
We're good. We're good. We're hot. The house on the prairie, bitches.
I hate to say, but you smell like your mother.
Adrenal glands! Ow, Duracell Energy are funny! What are you doing with my head?
I am trying.
Trying to deface me? You could be
Yeah.
serial murderer, really.